Hi, if you're a teacher or student of English literature, this video is very much important for you because in this video I am going to discuss the important question of one of the most important play by William Shakespeare, and the name of the play is Othello. So here we go. So here are the important questions of Othello by William Shakespeare, and the question number one that you must prepare for your examination is Othello as a domestic tragedy, or the tragedy of Othello. The question number two that you will prepare is the theme of jealousy in Othello. No doubt there are many themes in Othello, but the most important one is the theme of jealousy. The next one is Othello as a tragic hero. Our character sketch of Othello, both are the same question. So any of them if appears in the examination, you mean to prepare a tragic hero or the character, both are the same one. Question number 4, character sketch of Iago. Iago is the second most important character in the play of Othello, so you must also prepare this one. And the last one is the character sketch of Desdemona. So these are the 5 questions which are considered to be the most important question in the play Othello. So this is the video for today. If you get benefit from this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.